friends, welcome back to our channel. It's a blizzard today. This is our backyard. The deck is full of snow. It's snowing heavily today. So much snow, it's blowing in my face. It's crazy. I can't believe it. My face, I can't barely talk. The road is covered in snow, even the cars. All of this, it's so white. I can even feel it with my hands. Ooh, icy. This is our deck, so it's pretty cold and it's white. Like you can see this cold white snow and the snow flying outside. So snowy. And the roof. Even the snow from roofs, they're gonna fall anytime soon. You can see our steps, it's very white. You can't even see them anyway. Everything's so white. So there's the snow. It's always everywhere. I don't even have to explain how this is. It's so white. Even people are shoveling today, so it's pretty good in that. Yeah. Someday we'll be shoveling, of course, because it's so snowy. You can even see people shoveling. You can hear the sound. Ooh, the trees. Those cars, they're full of snow. Anyone can know this. Whoa, that snow. Look at the trees. I don't think they're gonna grow today. They're without leaves. Everyone's houses are full of snow. Amazing. Thank you for watching. Please stay warm. Bye.